You are going to love the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fourth passenger door, power third passenger door. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.